Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to install GTA 5 on your PC or laptop in a simple and clear way. First, make sure your system meets the minimum requirements, including enough storage space, updated graphics drivers, and a stable internet connection. Now, open your web browser and choose where you want to buy the game, either Steam, Epic Game Store, or the Rockstar Games Launcher. Create an account if you don't already have one, then purchase GTA 5 or claim it if it's available in your library. Once purchased, click the Download or Install button and select the drive where you want the game installed. The download size is large, so keep your PC plugged in and avoid interruptions. After downloading, the launcher will automatically start installing required files and Rockstar Social Club. When installation is complete, sign in to your Rockstar account to verify the game. Now launch GTA 5 from the launcher, allow any first-time setup or updates to finish, and adjust graphics settings based on your PC's performance. If the game stutters, lower graphics options for smoother gameplay. Finally, save your progress, explore Story Mode or GTA Online, and enjoy the full GTA 5 experience on your PC or laptop with better visuals, controls, and performance. Subscribe the channel for more videos.